Okay, welcome back. Now we're dealing with another acute angle. So we've got a given angle, and we've got two sides, right? And one of the sides is across from the angle. So this is, again, that case 2 situation. So let's deal with this because, again, we've got an acute angles, right? We're not dealing with an obtuse angle. So let's see what happens when we solve this one. So again, I'm going to set this up and I'm going to solve for sine B, right, or angle B. So I'm going to do sine A over A is equal to sine B over B. And again, I'm going to then just plug in my values. So sine 30 degrees over 4.62 feet is equal to sine B over 9.54 feet. And again, I'm going to multiply both sides by 9.54 because I want to isolate sine B. So I'm going to end up with sine B is equal to 9.54 times the sine of 30 degrees. And we're going to divide by 4.62. All right. Now, what do I get for the sine of B? Well, if you put this in your calculator, you get 1.032, approximately. So about approximately 1.32. Okay. Now again, notice that sine of B is over 1. So therefore, we do not have a triangle. Okay? So again, these are the things you want to look for, things that don't make sense. If you run into a situation, if you're doing the solution correctly, you're doing the law of sines and you're going through the steps, check to make sure that things make sense. Because if you run into something like this, you're done. Because there's no way to solve for this. Okay? Even if you don't see this and you go on and you try to solve for B, right? And you go B and you try to put inverse sine of 1.032 in your calculator, it's going to give you an error. And it's going to give you a domain error. Why? Because you can't put any numbers that are greater than 1 into an inverse sine function. Okay, because it's outside the domain of the function. Okay, so the domain of the inverse sine function is between -1 and 1. Or from -1 to 1, inclusive. Okay, have a great day.